Hey guys, today we're going to do an unboxing for the MelodySusie hair dryer accessories, okay? And here is the MelodySusie hair dryer for reference. And yeah, let's see what we have here for accessories. Love this device. Use the MelodySusie Volumizing Hair Diffuser to maintain your natural hair texture and achieve incredible results. This upgraded large-size diffuser is perfect for enhancing natural curls and creating bouncy waves. A hair diffuser is an essential attachment for your hair dryer as it helps to diffuse the intense heat and evenly distribute air, protecting your hair from the damage caused by concentrated heat. Say goodbye to frizz and save time on styling. Our diffuser is made from high-quality PC material, offering excellent waterproof and fireproof properties, ensuring durability even at temperatures as high as 150 Celsius or 302 degrees Fahrenheit. We recommend using low-medium heat setting on your hair dryer when using the diffuser and allowing it to cool down every 5 minutes. This not only protects the tool itself, but also your hair and scalp. Whether you have natural curls or straight hair, this hair dryer will work wonders for all hair types.